case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1960, the seemingly quiet ownership dispute between the Pulls and Barnes blew into a full-fledged legal battle in the Colorado Supreme Court in a case now known as Pull v. Barnes. The crux of the matter revolved around a property boundary dispute that questioned the essence of ownership and rights over improvements on the land. In 1953, the Pulls went ahead to construct a cabin on the property they believed to be theirs. Regrettably, they later discovered, much to their dismay, that a substantial part of the property, including the land where their cabin sat, was in actuality owned by the defendants, Barnes and Moffett. In an attempt to establish legal rights over the cabin, the Pulls invoked the Golden Press principle, which provides relief for minor encroachments on land wrongly assumed to be theirs. They also claimed that the defendants' conduct effectively barred them, a legal term known as estoppel, from claiming ownership over the cabin, given the circumstances of the situation. The trial court, however, dismissed these claims. Instead, it ruled in favor of the defendants, concluding that the cabin fell squarely within their land. The court stipulated it was open to granting relief, yet it found that neither the Golden Press principle nor estoppel was applicable in this case, a decision that the Pulls believed was erroneous. Challenging the lower court's decision, the case was brought before the Colorado Supreme Court. The Supreme Court reversed the judgment, ordering a reevaluation by the trial court. Authorities were directed to ascertain whether it was possible for the Pulls to remove the cabin from the land. Failure to do so would result in the land being subjected to a lien in favor of the Pulls, reflecting the cabin's value. This decision was grounded in the Johnson v. Dunkel principle, which allows an owner the right to remove improvements made in good faith on an adjoining land, or to enforce an equitable lien on the land for the improvement's value if removal is not feasible. Joining the lead opinion, the Chief Justice and two other justices concurred with this decision, bringing a striking conclusion to this pivotal case of property dispute.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.